No, you can do tricks.
Wait, have you heard of this game? Does this game like?
I've heard of it in Mario Maker. Oh, is this the one with the fairies?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I remember this game. This is such a. Oh wow. Oh, they fixed the pipe and then they hop. I feel like I played this game before.
This is a remaster.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, can you climb trees? How do you climb trees?
You just
grab
B. Yeah, but this character is fast.
Oh, you can dive.
That's why I want to choose this character.
How do you dive? How do you dive? Okay, I get it. Let's go.
Grab that.
And you can. Yo, this game. Oh, you can be so smooth in this game.
Toad is fast. Like, really fast.
I'm out. Wait, do you have to go through the pipe or could you, could you jump down?
Pardon?
Could you jump down? Can you like dive?
You can. Everybody's thinking from Walt Disney.
Yeah.
How do you... Are there bubbles in this game too? You're dead.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Dang it. Oh yeah, you compete, right? You compete for points, right? For a crown, right?
No, I don't think so.
Oh! I tried to climb the pipe.
Wow, competing is so infantile.
Wait, did you get Mega Mushroom? I blame you. Oh, no, I'm not even gonna talk to you.
You see.
No!
I'm a genius.
Where do we go? Oh, I can't get up, can I? Oh, I hate you can't do that. I forgot about that. This game is a scam. This game is a scam.
That's why I want to play Toad.
No, I'm editing that.
Look at that clear score. Oh wait, look at this. My favorite part. Mwah.
How did you get so many points?
Beautiful. Cause I got you get 10,000 climbs at top of the floor.
Did you get all 3 stars?
And I got.
You got 2 of the 3.
Because when you died, it didn't count you getting a star.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Wait, but how? What's? I don't get it. Why are we going into 3D worlds?
Because we went into the magical pipe.
Oh, the magical pipe.
No.
Wait, so could I?
No, I'm not letting you figure that out. Nah.
Wait, what if I ground pound you? How do you ground pound? Wait, no, just stay here.
No.
No!
I'm scared. You figured it out. And there's something really important here. Yep, here it is. Wait, Karen?
I'm unconscious.
Karen, don't mess with me.
Okay, fine.
Stay back.
Do you know you have no life? How do you know this?
This game is 7 years old.
How many one-ups can you get? Yeah, this is gonna be like 5 minutes later. We're just gonna be sitting here.
1 eternity later.
No, you're not left?
Yes, you can.
Okay, before the timer runs out?
I can, but I'm not gonna. I just want to show you that was in the game.
Okay. How are you gonna get here? You should stop it.
No, I'm not gonna. Also, I just wanted to show you because
How did I grab you?
I want the reason I didn't get a 909 lives is a surprise reason that I'll explain.
Wait, something up here.
Yeah, I threw a shell for that pipe.
Oh. Did the crown? Did we miss a star?
You stole my crown.
Can we go back? We can't. No, we need time, we need time!
No, we have 400 seconds.
No time, no need time. How about that? Oh wait, there's one up here you could do. I know this works back. Right? You like this, you like this, you like this. What do you do again? How do you do it?
What do you mean, how do you do it?
I think you like this. That's not what you do.
Nice shot.
No. What's that mystery box?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine and you're not real.
I'm high-key glad you work with me. Yo, we're too good! We're too good! We're too good! Bro, we had like a telepathic connection right there. How do I... Oh wait, okay, wait, how do you...
Oh, we're not supposed to go on this fight.
Why not?
Wait, no, we are!
Why do you do this to me? Why do you put me in a bubble for no reason?
This is a good game. What?
That was seamless. I hate you. Coming back. You did that on purpose. You knew.
Yes.
You wanna...
I got it. Why do you think I got extra lives for us? So I could spare you?
Okay.
It's so that we wouldn't run out of lives and I could kill you as many times as I...
Why?
You literally saw me aiming for you. I'm scared.
Can I take you? Can I like throw you or something?
No.
Oh! No!
You're not getting it.
None of us get it. You imbecile.
Look, we got coins. You got coins, Gavin.
No, no, I hate you. Are you in control? Are you the only one in control?
You're gonna actually knock over the setup. Be careful. Oh yeah, you can interact with enemies if you have an actual Joy-Con.
What's this? What am I doing? How am I doing that? Whoa!
Oh, no.
Where do I aim? Is it the sensor? Oh, that's the Wii. That's for the Wii.
I think you just point to your TVs.
What did I aim before? I don't know. You trying to hit me?
Oh no. There's a secret. I think there's a secret up there.
We had 76 seconds. We had so much time. Yeah, I'm too good. I'm too good. I'm too good at this game.
You do have a turtle shell on your way, and I'm baby.
Hey, Baby Toad's awesome. Right, I won that one. Give me my crown. Wait, so what if I kept the crown that you had? Would I get the points?
You get 5,000 points.
Oh, okay.
That's why I didn't want you to get it.
It's 5,000. Wait, how would that help me a lot? It wouldn't. It wouldn't help me.
I'm sorry, I'm just too good at this game.
But if I kept the crown, you wouldn't get the crown either, right?
I wouldn't get it.
Okay.
This is a good game. Oh god, I just realized the crown for this mission.
I'm not gonna do anything. I just want you to...
No. Mine.
Yo! What? Okay, no, it just turned 5,000, okay.
No, you got the crown. I'm so... You probably got this one.
Yeah, imagine being bad at the game.
You know what, Carrie? Not Carrie. I can unplug.
This is war?
You know, this is war. It's 2-1 Cameron right now.
2-1.
Wait, no, 2-1 me.
Yeah.
I singing flags.
We continue. If I kill this guy, does it give me a cat? Oh, and you can beat these guys because they leap, right? They're idiots.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
You know what I mean? Like, what's the point of that? I knew you would.
Can't climb the wall. I can't climb the wall.
Oh, I hate you! I hate you!
Oh yeah, I can't make that one.
Oh no.
You really did that! You really did that!
I didn't know perspective. Wait, do we have to, can we go back in? Did we miss something? Yo, bro, this is actually cool. Look at Mario go! You saw that? You should go up here, right? What's that arrow? What are you doing?
You're actually such a dirty. Oh my gosh, that's the second one.
Yeah, so you missed the first one. Let's go back. Oh, it's in one of these trees, 100%.
Alright, gamble. I hate this. Wait, I have a feeling.
Does that play me any other stars? How'd you pick me up? How'd you pick me up?
You know people find that out by accident, but I knew.
What, you pick people up? How did you pick people up?
I'm not telling you.
Why
would I tell you? It's good. It's free content. If you don't know, it's free content for me. I don't have to try as hard.
You're gonna do it again.
You missed.
No, that wasn't my fault. Yeah, I get in the box first. I got in the box first.
Among Us.
Let's go.
Why are you in the trees, bro?
Uh-huh. They hate on you until they know what's really in there.
There's nothing in the trees. Who made it first? Who made it first?
Mario! Mario! Yo, the quality on this game is actually impeccable.
This game sucks.
Huh? This game sucks. You know, and if you could sponsor us, please, we would be really appreciative. It would be awesome because then we would actually you know, I could get first every time. I could beat Ethan. That's what everyone aspires for in life. Aspires to be. We're making progress. We're making progress. But that's where we're gonna end the video off. I knew online would come in handy. I knew it would come in handy.
Yeah, but who are we gonna play with? Can't trust me, Karen. Do one of these two.
Nope, nope. This one is really good. Hello viewers, and thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm gonna start calling you guys change makers because I think that has like a good vibe to it, and also is like it means something. So thanks for watching change makers. I'll see you guys next time, and if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and watch more of my videos. See you next time. Peace.